call it a hole saw. It is a hole saw, but there's another name for it. Anyway, it comes with this drill bit here, which drills the hole on the edge of the door. This is a hole drilling jig for a door. This is all the parts that come with it. Now this is for a metal door. That's the mandrel for it, but anyway, this is the other stuff. And if you've ever had one of these, you know what it's for and how to use it. Anyway, so what we're doing, I am sharpening this hole saw, and without having to send it out to get it done, I've got my Dremel tool, and I've just got one of these, got all these tools in here. And let's see if I can find one that I'm using. Yeah, it's just one of these here. Got the little small point, and then it gets bigger as it goes down. Well, this seems to be the best one to use for this. And how you can tell it's sharp is because it'll catch your finger or thumb or whatever you want to use. You can get a piece of paper and drag across it, and you'll feel it trying to catch it. That means you've got it sharp. Okay. See, it's tearing it. So anyway, we go on to the next one. See, this is just sliding across. It's not doing anything. So let me turn this around a little bit. Now we're going to do this one. Catching the paper. Okay, now we got to get this part. And the one thing you don't want to do, this back side. Now you can get a hone or something and hone across it when you get done, just to take off all the whickers. But this one is the one that cuts all the excess lumber out of your door. Now whatever you do, do not touch this. Touch this pointy thing. All that does is just keeps the drill centered. So leave it alone. And again, you don't want to change. They've worked this out at the factory to where they have it just the way it's supposed to be. And again, it doesn't take much to sharpen this thing. And of course you got to be careful, because once you do get it sharp, this is tempered steel and it will definitely cut you without you even knowing it. Take this, turn it around here where you can hopefully see what I'm doing. You could use a little water or some light oil, but anyway, all you want to do is just come on the back side, and all you're doing, anything that's ground over that's got little wickers on the back side of it, this just gets them off. So like I said, it doesn't take much, and that's about it. And this thing is now super sharp. No pulls there. It's definitely pulling the paper. So this is done. Okay, so we put this back in the box. Now you know you have to be careful with these things because you don't want to drop them. You don't want to go through all this work and then turn around and drop it and it be dull again. This one here is a lot harder to sharpen because you've got some really weird angles in here, plus you've got this edge here that's got to be sharpened, and all of it gets ground from the inside. Don't do the outside, because what will happen, you'll cut down the relief. So you want to make sure you do everything on the inside. And this one, we may try this as long as I can stay off of that. But this should grind the edge of that just fine. I don't want to come forward and roll off. Don't want to come forward and roll off that edge. And this should take care of that flat part too. Now we've got two sides here, so there again you have to be careful. Alrighty, let's see what happens. Let me see if I can't get a little more on there. Well, it's real sharp now. Now let me see if I can't get this part here. Same thing, don't change this down here, only this. Okay, yep, got that sharp. Now we turn around and get the other side. Alrighty, well, by golly, let's go try this thing, and we'll try the other one too. Oh boy, this thing is so much sharper. That is great. Now let's get the hole saw. The drill is self-feeding, so it'll feed it. This one here is not. I gotta force it in there. So let's try it out. Alrighty, by golly, my lock drilling tools are sharp again.